And hey there, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Ever wondered who Mrs. 39 that the data is she seemed like a normal neighbor to Ruby Sunday, but something was always off. Turns out she's a face from the doctor's past. It's the Rani, another Time Lord. Uh, Mrs. Flood has been popping up throughout time, chasing the Doctor. But who is the Rani? Like the Doctor and the Master, she's a renegade Time Lord from Gallifrey. The Rani is a biochemist who cares more about science than morals. Her experiments got her exiled. She's been hiding in plain sight for years, even posing as an old woman in the industrial era. Kato Mara originally played the Rani, causing trouble for the Doctor. Now Archie Punjabi is taking on the role. What's her plan, and why is she talking to us, the viewers? We might get some answers next week. But the broadcast is on the day Earth is supposed to be destroyed. Coincidence? I think not. Archie Punjabi is known for her role in The Good Wife. She's bringing a new dimension to the Ronnie second. Doctor Who is back with new episodes every Saturday. Why did the Time Lord bring a ladder to the party? Because he heard the drinks were on the higher plane. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,